In front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wanna use in this view and launching it in the background like that. Now tap on the icon of it available at the top, and from this pop-up select small window to switch into pop-up view right away. Now to move your window around, hold this line at the top and drag it. If you want to use it in full screen view, you can either click on this icon at the top left corner, or you can hold one of its bottom corners and drag your window all the way down. You can use the same gesture, this one, to resize your window. You can even resize it to the smallest possible version and swipe it to the side to turn it into a bubble. Then tap on the bubble to access your window. Other way to minimize it is by clicking this icon on the left. Now, if you want to close your window, you can either click on this X at the top right corner, you can minimize it, and then drag your bubble to this section at the bottom, or minimize it like before and do exactly the same. Last but not least, you can drag your whole window to the same section and let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!